Okay, hi. Uh, this I'm Paul Duggan, and welcome to my second video on my WordPress project. So the second video is a demonstration of my actual site and my plugin. So as you can see, this is my homepage. The homepage is a static page of each and every one of my products. And as you can see, I have many stuff here. Many features. So say social integration, as I said in the first video, is very important. So whereas you click on this, it just goes into the page I actually created on Facebook. And then Twitter, it just goes into the page similar to Facebook, except it's Twitter. So it just goes into the page I created on Twitter. So basically, this is the back to top button. Let's go down to the very bottom. That's a plugin back to the top. A very basic plugin. It's handy instead of having to scroll. So the home page. So I'll just click on another link. So here I'll show you. This is my lawn page. So as you can see, they're clearing the area of all weeds, previous grass or other impediments. So I'll just show you why that's changing to red. Let's go into edit page. So as you can see, I have a bullet point cleaning the area of all weeds. Now because that is let me cancel that for a minute. I'll click update. Bear with me 1 second, it's just loading. And then if you click on view page, it should be in black. I'm just loading now. Okay, so as you can see, there is yet red, but yeah, as you can see, cleaning the area of all weeds, previous grass or other impediments is black. So just so I don't get anything wrong, I'm just gonna make sure I have that back to normal. Bear with me 1 second. So I'll just click on that and put that in back into bullet points, and then that will go back to my text changing red and font size 1.5 EM. So I'll just wait for that to save and go back here. I'll just show you that plugin here very quickly. Click on the plugin here. WordPress is very slow to load as well. So here is a list of each and one of my plugins. That's the back to top. That's not the plugin I was working with because it's, as you can see, it's Chinese. So there's a different back to top one. It's this one. Scroll back to top because it's obviously, as you can see, English. So this is my plugin. It's called Change My Font. So anywhere you see bullet points, as I said, your text color will change and your text size, font size. So when it clicks on this, it'll bring you up that plugin code, and as you can see, I think I went through a small bit of this in the video 1, but yeah, just very quickly. As you can see, it's just replacing each string with the content you have on your page. So as you can see, the color is changed to red in this case, and the font size to 1.5 EM. Okay, so 1 second now. Once again, I'll just show you the responsive bit. So my page has a few hyperlinks. I'll just go on to the home page for 1 second. The hyperlinks are very important as well. So I'll just click on garden care. If you just That's why if you need to know about garden care, just click on garden care, and there's a garden care up here as well, so it just goes to this garden care, whichever one. If it loads up. Okay, so as you can see here, the plugin, Who's My Plugin is working. That's very brief. So back to garden care. So just load up now. So yeah, so as you can see, and then when you click on, let's say I want to add ant killer powder to my cart, just click on add to cart, and you should have an option to view your cart, which you do. So click on view cart, and I'm not going to go through the rest here, but you get the idea of where you're going. So update cart, blah blah blah. So you can proceed to checkout, and there's so many payment methods you can use, either PayPal or Visa. So go to my contact us form, and SEO is very important in terms of keywords. So I'll show you briefly what SEO is in a minute. So as you can see, that's my very basic contact form 7 form. So let me just go down to the XML sitemap and show you very quick of what it is and where it is. So scroll down to SEO and go see social. That's where you go for the social integration and appearance as well. So SEO, you click on XML sitemaps, and you should have an option to see your sitemap. You should have an option. I hope you do. So XML sitemap. So you can find your XML sitemap here. So, and whichever one, general. So click on XML sitemap, and that should come up. Something anyway should come up. So, and you just click on say page sitemap, and a whole loads of links of each of your pages should come up. So as you can see, garden care, shop, sheds and storage, growing your garden, about, page, cart, check out my account, terms of service. So yeah, so 1 minute. Yeah, so go back to my site now, and that is a demonstration of my site and my plugin. So I'll just make sure I haven't left anything out in this video too, and say my goodbyes. Okay.